Welcome back on setting up your operating accounts. This next mini platform extension to your browser is going to make your life so much easier. So take a look at this. I'm in Amazon right now in an incognito form. So take a look at these products, these first 3 or 4 products, these books actually. It doesn't tell you much about the analytics, so we don't know if they're selling well or not. So let's just take speed reading. It just shows us the cover, 279 reviews, right? And that's it. That's all we see. Now let me show you using this extension. It's called DS Amazon Quickview. With this extension, this is what your Amazon page will look like. Let me do speed reading. That's what I had in the other one, so we could compare. So look at the same book, right? The same book we just looked at, speed reading. It gives us the BSR of 16,321. That means this book is selling super well, right? Compared to, let's say, the one above, 125,000. That one is selling well, but this one is selling extremely well. So right off the bat, we know that this is selling well. This next book is selling even better. Only 1,189 means this thing gets updated hourly. And this book is selling a lot more than the one above, and the one above is selling a lot more than the one above that. So when you hover over the product, it also gives you useful information. This one says that it's 242 pages. It's ranking, as you can see, it's ranking in 3 different categories. It's number 9 out of 100, number 4 out of 100, number 3 out of 100 in reading skills. So very quickly, as you're scrolling through Amazon, going forward, you're always going to now analyze books and niches and markets and things in areas where people are publishing, and you get to see very quickly as you're scrolling down, number 1 is selling well, number 2 ad is not selling that great, this is selling pretty good, this is selling very good, very, very good, not so great, and you get a feel for the demand in the top 20 books on this page. So anyway, download this extension for your browser. It is free, there's no charge, and it's going to make your life a lot easier. Otherwise, you would have to click into the book and scroll down to find this data that we just obtained very easily. You see how it's here? You would have to go into the product to get that information. Anyway, I hope that helps you, and I'll see you on the next one.